Mastering Idioms, Unveiling Kill Time. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, kill time. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding it can really enhance your language skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, kill time, does not involve any literal killing. Instead, it's an idiom that means to use up time doing something while waiting for something else to happen. Often, killing time involves engaging in a leisure activity or something that's not very important, just to make the time pass more quickly. For example, if you're waiting for a friend and decide to read a magazine, you're killing time until your friend arrives. Understanding where idioms come from can often help us remember them better. The phrase, kill time, is believed to have originated in the 19th century. The concept is that time is being killed, or made to pass quickly, much like one might kill a bottle of wine by drinking it quickly. This vivid imagery helps convey the idea of making time pass in a way that's less noticeable or burdensome. To fully grasp the use of kill time, let's look at some examples. 1. I had an hour before my train departed, so I decided to kill time by browsing through a bookstore. 2. While waiting for the doctor, she killed time by playing games on her phone. 3. They killed time at the airport watching movies, as their flight was delayed. Notice how in each instance, killing time involves an activity done to make the wait less tedious. There are several other ways to express the same idea in English. Synonyms for kill time include pass the time, waste time, while away the time. These can often be used interchangeably, although waste time may have a slightly negative connotation. That's all on the idiom, kill time. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this one add color and depth to your English. Don't be afraid to use them in your conversations. We hope this video has been enlightening and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering the English language in no time. See you in our next video.